Hi! The best gift is the gift that's wrapped with love and passion. To surprise my daughter with a welcome back honeymoon gift, I used these items seen on the table. I used the pin on one end of the painter tape and rolled the tape around the edges of the foam. I then created another layer of double-sided tape and used the same pin I used earlier to secure both tapes. As you can see, I rolled the money having a plastic in between and then rolled it in order to have the tape just touch the plastic, not the money, so it wouldn't ruin the money. I used two wooden sticks to secure both layers of the foam together. Having a ribbon around the money will even secure the money more and give a nice touch. For future use of the leaves for other projects, I just tape them on the mirror. The leaves just add bigger dimension for the money cake project. White and blue was my decoration selection of colors, so it would complement my daughter's home colors, and you can choose the colors you like for your project. Please wait, this project is not yet done. There's even more of things to look at that you might like. Are you ready for the final reveal of my presentation? I hope you enjoyed the ending results. I know my daughter did, and what made it even better is adding few matching pieces such as the money tree with the money pouch and the hand bridal bouquet. I just felt by adding these items it would complement the money cake and add value to it. Don't forget to drop your feedback and see my other projects. Please share, like, and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.